Hi, I'm Samantha, your local Central Florida realtor. I'm with Home Wise Realty Group, and I have a market update for you. All right, so what we're looking at is last year and what that will mean going into this year. Let's take a look. Okay, so overall, just looking at the basics, we're up about 10% over this point last year if we're looking at median home prices. So what's driving this? Okay, primarily it's a combination of strong buyer demand and very low inventory levels. There are other factors too, like the rates have held pretty low. That always affects buyer demand, definitely mortgage rates. And we really do expect this upward trend into 2018. The market's starting to heat up after the holidays again. Unfortunately, we also expect low inventory to continue to exert its influence on the market in 2018, especially in high desired low price categories. And the lack of affordable housing in Orlando is definitely a concern that the realtors will be talking about in the community discussion in 2018. So, all right, let's scroll up here. Okay, sorry about that. I was all the way at the bottom. Okay, so market talking points for the recap of December 2016 through December 2016. So we're looking at a year here. Again, we're up about 10.3% over last year. That means that a house that cost you $200,000 in 2016 is likely going to cost you about $220,000 at this point. And that's just in 1 year. And that's, I mean, it just blows me away. And I do this every day. Okay. All right. I love this part. I find this to be so encouraging. All right. Out of the 3,006 sales in December, about 95% of them were considered to be normal sales, which is regular homeowners who sold their home on the open market. Okay. And then the rest, the other 5% is short sales and bank owned. So what does that mean? Okay, so last year, a year ago, it was 5.6% lower. So it was like 90% on normal sales. And then foreclosures and short sales are down 50% and 30% respectively. That's great news. That's the sign of a market that's healthier than it was a year ago. And it's been going in that direction continually year over year these past few years. Okay. All right. The bad side is there are currently about 7,500 homes available for purchase through the MLS, but inventory is down about 12.6% over last year. Just from last month, it's 9.5%. So it really isn't, that hasn't really improved. Homes are spending about 62 days on the market. It can be less if the home is priced right on point, or it can be more if the home is not priced even close to fair market value. The really encouraging part is the average home sold for 97% of its list price. That means that we realtors are doing a good job of directing people and showing people what their home at fair market value could be worth. That's one of our main jobs, is helping people navigate those waters. Okay, so let's really quickly look at rates. All right, last thing. All right, if you look at the red and the beige and the yellow, you were looking at 2015, 2016, and 2017. And depending on what month you're looking at, the rates have been kind of ticking up and ticking down, but they tend to be holding, I mean, it looks like between 3.5% and 4.3%. Last I heard, rates are ticking up a little bit, but they do this. They go up and they go down a little bit, and they've been doing that. And this chart shows it perfectly, that they just kind of been holding, but they're just doing this little up and down thing. Overall, it's a great time to buy a house. Even with prices kind of ticking up, the rates are holding fairly low. So, you can afford more house with low rates. So that's what's helping buyers. sellers are being helped by the fact that there is low inventory. They can turn their house over quicker and make a faster sale. And then on the buyer side, the rates are still low, so you can afford a little bit more house than you could if the rates were like 8% or something like that. So anyway, if I can help you with anything regarding real estate, if you'd like to buy or sell a home, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you. I can come and give you a market analysis and tell you what your home may be worth on the open market. All right, let me know if I can help you in any way. Have a great day. Until next time, bye.